Welcome to Learning Google Cloud Platform. My name is Andres Kalkvek and I'll be the one taking you through this course. I'm passionate about big data and automation, and I've been coding since around 18. Currently, I'm working for a Google Cloud partner here in South Africa. I've got the Google Cloud Professional Architect certification. I've got 11 Microsoft certifications as well, and I'd like to think that I'm a proficient code monkey. So let me tell you a bit about what'll actually be in this course. In this course, we're going to be taking a look at the following topics. Section 1 will be about getting started with the Google Cloud Platform. Section 2 will be an introduction to the world's largest and fastest private network. Section 3, Identity and Security. Section 4 will be an introduction to planet-scale computing. In Section 5, we'll be covering storage and database options. Section 6 will be big data. Section 7 will be artificial intelligence and the developer tools. And in Section 8, we'll look at connecting the dots. You don't need to be a computer expert to take this course, but some basic industry knowledge will definitely help out. You'll need a stable internet connection, and you'll need to be curious and have an explorative attitude, because the Google Cloud Platform is a huge place. In this course, we'll be exploring various options of interacting with GCP services. We'll learn everything we need to know about deploying an application with multiple components to GCP using the Google Compute Engine instances, Google App Engine instances, or Google Kubernetes Engine. We're going to take a look at choosing the right storage and database technologies for your application. We're going to focus on the actions you need to take to build scalable and reliable applications using the Google Cloud Platform. We're going to take a look at the technologies provided to us to transform applications to AI-driven ones, using Google's fast, large-scale, and easy-to-use AI services and products. So when you're ready to look at the Google Cloud Platform, let's get started.